Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve innovation strategies with Apple, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve innovation strategies inspired by Apple, start by analyzing their design philosophy. Focus on simplicity and elegance in your product development. Encourage a culture of creativity within your team. Foster collaboration across different departments. Utilize customer feedback to drive innovation. Invest in advanced technology and tools. Create an environment that allows for experimentation and risk-taking. Implement design thinking methodologies to solve problems. Encourage rapid prototyping of ideas to visualize concepts quickly. Establish a clear vision that aligns with your brand's mission. Study Apple's approach to marketing and user experience. Pay attention to storytelling in your product presentation. Regularly review and iterate on your innovation processes. Gather insights from competitors to identify gaps and opportunities. Commit to lifelong learning and continuous improvement. Engage with industry trends to stay ahead of the curve. Build a strong brand loyalty through exceptional customer service. Empower employees to take ownership of their projects. Network with other innovators and thought leaders in your field. Keep refining your innovation strategies based on results and feedback. By following these steps, you can cultivate a more innovative mindset within your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.